Good morning, class.
Good morning.
Today we are going to read out our first chapter of our book, that is A Letter to God. A Letter to God. So you will read out with me. The house, the only one in the entire valley, sat on the crest of a low hill. From this height, one could see the river, and the field of ripe corn, dotted with flowers, that always promised a good harvest. The only thing the earth needed was a downpour, or at least a shower. Throughout the morning, Lenjo, who knew his fields intimately, had done nothing else but see the sky towards the northeast.
A letter to God. Second paragraph. Now we are really going to get some water. Woman. The woman who was preparing supper. Replied. Yes. God willing. The older boys. Were working in the field. While the smaller ones. Were playing near the house. Until the woman called to them all, come for dinner. It was during the meal that, just as Lenzo had predicted, big drops of rain began to fall. In the northeast, huge mountain of clouds could be seen approaching. The air was fresh and sweet. The man went out for no other reason than to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body. And when he returned, he exclaimed, "These aren't raindrops falling from the sky. They are new coins. The big drops are 10-cent pieces, and the little ones are fives."
With a satisfied expression, he regarded the field of ripe corn with its flowers wrapped in a curtain of rain. But suddenly, a strong wind began to blow. Along with the rain, very large hailstones began to fall. These truly did resemble new silver coins. The boys, exposing themselves to the rain, ran out to collect the frozen coats.
Hello everybody, I am Ghulam Nabi Mir, working as a postgraduate English teacher here in CBSE Public School. We have taken an initiative that we will teach here language through literature. It will take different steps. For this, we have started the first step, that is the book and group reading. For the group reading, we have selected our first chapter from the first book, that is the First Flight, for which the different students will come forward and they will read the chapter paragraph by paragraph. Thank you very much.